You're on Unraveling the Phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, you're on. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it mean? By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it correctly. Let's dive in. You're on can literally mean that something is activated or currently in operation. For example, when a light is turned on, or when a microphone is active. Example 1. After switching on the microphone, the technician might say, "You're on," to the speaker. Example 2. If you're about to present on stage and the spotlight shines on you, someone might say, "You're on," indicating it's your turn to start. More often in casual conversations, "You're on" is an informal way of saying that one accepts a challenge or a bet. It's like saying, "Let's do it," or "Challenge accepted." Example 1. A. I bet you can't eat 10 cookies in 5 minutes. B. You're on. Example 2. A. Want to race to the end of the street? B. You're on. It's essential to understand the context in which "you're on" is used. Depending on the situation, it could either mean it's your turn to start something or you've accepted a challenge. Always pay attention to what's happening around you to interpret the phrase correctly. There you have it. The phrase, "you're on," is versatile, with meanings ranging from a simple notification that it's your turn, to enthusiastically accepting a challenge. English is filled with such exciting idiomatic expressions. We hope this video has clarified the use of "you're on" for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try using it in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!